Good morning, and it's already June 1st here in the Philippines. Our time is 6:18 in the morning, and we are going to start our day, our first day of June, to pray for the sacred trusteeship, blessing, and consecration with expanded litany to the Diwata of the sacred tribes. So join me in prayer. So, O great Bathala of the highest realm, source of life, and sacred breath, origin of all that is seen and unseen. Enter now this dwelling place and this body, this space and this spirit with your divine presence. Cleanse this place and cleanse me of all heaviness, harm, and imbalance, known and unknown, visible and invisible. Let only peace remain. Let only harmony remain. Let only sacred balance remain. Consecrate this home as a banal na tahanan, which is a holy home, a living altar of your creation, and consecrate me as a humble servant, not as an owner, but as a katiwala or trustee, not as ruler, but tagapag-alaga or caretaker. Let this dwelling be open in sacred balance for humankind and for all beings, those who walk, crawl, fly, and move in stillness, by day under the sky, under the sun, and by night under the moon. May this home be a refuge and sanctuary, and may I be worthy to serve it for the glory of Bathala and honor of the Council of the Diwata. O Councils of the Diwata of many lands and lineages, guardians of wisdom, balance, and sacred tradition, I hear your call. I honor your presence and I accept your choosing. You have entrusted to me this home as sacred ground, the path as sacred duty, this mission as a sacred trust. I stand before you as keeper and devotee, as guardian and servant, as bridge between the ancestor and the future. I vow to protect what is sacred, to preserve what is true, to serve with humility, and to live in right relationship with all blessings, with all beings. Diwatang Lumawig, bearer of knowledge, founder of sacred order, drive away confusion within this home and within me. Restore cosmic harmony in this dwelling and in my mind, that all who enter may walk in wisdom and right living. Diwatang Amang Guwalay, Father of life, light, giver of life, shine into every corner of this space and spirit. Dissolve darkness and illusion, that truth may guide this home and my leadership. Diwatang Kadawla-Sambad, radiant sun of strength and abundance, burn away stagnation and weakness, ignite vitality, prosperity, and sacred purpose, that this home may nourish all life, and this mission may flourish in strength. Diwatang Mekatefu, Swala, and Tulus, great creator and sacred voice, speak divine order into this dwelling and into my being. Align all actions, words, and silences with the sacred design of creation. O Diwatang Tuhan, Lord of power, guardian of destiny, stand at every threshold, protect this home and fortify my spirit, that no harm may enter and no fear may take root. Diwatang Makatdapat, keeper of balance in nature, harmonize all forces within this dwelling and in my life. Restore sacred equilibrium between human, spirit, and nature. Diwatang Bulan Lamugaw, moon of comfort and inner wisdom, soothe all burdens lingering here. Bring calm to this home and compassion to my heart, that this space may be a refuge of peace and healing. Diwatang Sirinan, nurturing mother of abundance, bless this home with care and sustenance. Let no being here suffer lack, and let my service be guided by generosity and love. Diwatang Taganlang, guardian of the forest and sacred earth, cleanse this dwelling, and wind cleanses the trees. Anchor this home in right relationship with nature, and root me deeply in reverence for the land. Diwatang Maknongan Aponihon, highest deity of the heavens, lift this space beyond all limitation. Anchor divine strength and spiritual authority in this home and in my sacred relation. Anitong Sayop Ay and Mangat, ancestors of joy and fortune, remove all sorrow and misfortune. Fill this dwelling with joy, blessings, and good destiny, and guide my path toward rightful success. All Anito, ancestors, and spirit guide, enter in honor and peace. Dwell here as guardians, teachers, and companions. Guide this household and guide me, that we may remember stewardship in a sacred inheritance. To my parents, Rolando Dular Comon and Raquel Pico Gomez, both of you, without you, I am nothing. You gave me life and you left me with this inheritance. May I be worthy custodian of what you have left behind. May I share this with my sisters, Abigail Comon Dison, Julianne Comon Dison, and Emery George Dison, and all my nephews and nieces. I remember in this prayer Antoinette Jane Dison and Anthony Dison, together with Carl Denzel Comon and Louis Jam Comon. Abide in your rightful place, all encanto of the land, water, air, and fire. Guard these unseen boundaries, maintain the sacred balance, and teach this household humility and respect. Diwatang mahal na makaako, beloved source and unifying presence, embrace this dwelling in divine love. Fill this space and my being with unity and devotion, that all may become a living sanctuary of your glory. I also pray for Lakay Magbaya Agama, our co-trustee, that you bless him and his family. This home is not merely shelter. This is a house of the Diwata, a resting place of the Encanto, a sanctuary of the Anito, a refuge for all beings, and I am merely its occupant. I am its keeper, its guardian, a faithful steward. Here I do not stand above creation. I walk within it in humility. Here I accept my sacred duty to protect, to nurture, to serve, to honor all life entrusted to this place. O counsels of the Diwata, remain with me. Guide every step I take. Correct me when I falter. Strengthen me when I am weak. Enlighten me when the path is hidden. Make me worthy of this trust. Let me stand as a living bridge between ancients and future, between spirit and service, between wisdom and action. By the power of Bathala, by the blessings of the Diwata, by the presence of the Encanto, and by the guidance of the Anito, this home now is cleansed. This now, this home is now consecrated. This home is now protected. This home now is blessed. And I am now affirmed in sacred trusteeship. All that is heavy is released. All that is broken is restored. All that is needed is provided. This home remembers. This home honors. This home serves. This home protects. I am chosen as trustee. I am a devoted servant. I am guided by the counsels of the Diwata. I will preserve. I will protect. I will continue in the name of Bathala, the Diwata, the Encanto, and the Nito. And it is so. Mayari na pag-asatin.